What if I told you that I could remove anything negative off your credit report? Would you think I'm just trying to fool you? Or is it actually based off of tens of thousands of positive case studies, positive reviews, and actual files that we've successfully been able to repair? I've been in the credit repair industry for 10 years now. People come my way when others have failed and just, run out of luck or just things didn't work out. I've been able to remove the most difficult things off of credit reports. That's how I made my company. That was the mission statement when we opened Pinnacle Credit Repair. And listen people, time's passing by, day by day, your credit's staying the same. All these companies are promising this and that, and they're just taking too long. You probably went on YouTube and tried to do it yourself and it didn't work. Listen, stop all that. You didn't turn on YouTube today to become a credit repair master overnight, nor did you want to watch countless videos. Just watch this video. Hire someone that is competent. Hire someone that is transparent. Hire someone that can get the job done and makes no excuses. That's Pinnacle Credit Repair. I can fix your situation. I know exactly what you're going through. I've been through it over and over a million times. It's like breathing air to me. I'm not trying to sell you. I'm not a salesman. But what I can't stand watching and listening to as these hundreds, as these thousands of people call me and say, hey, credit repair company A couldn't help me. Credit repair company B couldn't help me. This guy took my money and ran. I went on YouTube, I searched for this, I tried it didn't work. It didn't work. Now what's going to happen? Our system is bulletproof. We've made sure that through studies and countless testing and tons and tons and tons and tons of happy clients. Clients call me and say, hey, I need this
Number
all for
one
2
on
weeks,
Google
and
because
we're
Google
sweating
knows
like
we're the
bullets.
best.
We think we can do it. We get it done. We get it done. Their loan closes. People call us in the midst of closing a deal, and we get it done. We're so fast. Even Google makes us pop up for the fastest credit repair company around. You don't think Google's a liar, do you? At the end of the day, you have to ask yourself, what's it worth to you? What's your credit worth to you? Is it worth your peace of mind getting it fixed? Your time? Is there a sense of urgency? Your money? Are you just trying to save a buck and hope that one of these monthly credit repair companies, there's a price for everything. Are you willing to pay that price to get what you want? Because here is a place where you can count on our skill. You can count on our services. You can count on our staff. We're not going to turn our heels on you. We got your back. We know what to do. We've been through this before. We're not afraid. We're going to fight tooth and nail to get these goddamn negatives off for you. 100% trust in the system. Designed to crack through the bureaus. You can depend on it. No letters, no phone calls, nothing in the mail, nothing certified. It's all automated using the most state-of-the-art artificial intelligence and our proprietary system, ACAT. It stands for Automatic Credit Analytic Technologies. What it's going to do is it's going to read your report, plug it into the bureaus, plug and play, and understand the perfect strategy, and not just round number 2, round number 3, all of the rounds. It predicts the outcome of the dispute process, and that's why we get the results that we get. Did you ever read about that story of that AI bot called AlphaZero, how it studied the play chess for just 4 hours of programming, and it actually beat the world chess champion? Well, ACAT is exactly like that, but much better, and it's applicable to credit. So when you are working with Pinnacle, you're actually working with the most intelligent credit repair system on the planet. And we're not trying to sell you a program for you to use.
Home office.
This is a service. We will do it. The system will do it for you. Just work with us and let it do its magic.
And stop you from giving away your hard-earned cash to these fly-by-night companies that take your money and run. Number 1, the United States government. According to the Federal Trade Commission website, most negative information will stand.
And don't buy into all the bullshit of all the people trying to sell you a course. If you have the winning course to repair credit, then why wouldn't you just repair credit for everyone? That's like BMW saying, hey, don't pay BMW to repair your car. Don't pay Mercedes to repair your car. We will sell you the mechanic, the audio book, or the instruction manual to fix your Mercedes-Benz right there for you. Who do you think is better mechanic? Mercedes? Who do you think can fix a car better? The people that have invented the engine, or the person that's just driving the car? Who do you think has a better advantage? The company that has the money to employ those, to actually have the skills to repair those vehicles. The same works for credit. Who do you think knows? And don't believe what everyone's trying to sell you. This course online, how to fix your credit. Well, first of all, if you had the winning course to repair credit, why wouldn't you just have a business and just do it for people and make even more money? Why would you sell an ebook for like 50 cents on YouTube? And here's the thing, why would you even buy that? That's like Mercedes-Benz or BMW. That's like any automotive dealer, any company, manufacturer, giving away their competitive edge, saying that, hey, you know what, don't even fix your car at our service centers, just go ahead and do it yourself, and here is the book on how to do it. Think of all of the problems that would occur. I don't understand people do things for a hobby, but to actually solve a problem that you have, you don't want to do it yourself. You don't want to get your hands dirty. And who do you think knows more? The mechanics at BMW, the multi-million-dollar company that has the money to employ the talents and people that have went to school and got certifications and licenses to repair these vehicles at BMW, Mercedes, or McLaren, or Ferrari? Who do you think knows more, those mechanics or you? Who do you think knows more? Our system that is bulletproof, that's fixed file after file after, that's proven the test of time to not just be a fluke, and that has gotten these results that you're seeing on the screen right now. Look at that report. Look at the score increase. It has figured it out. It's an algorithm. It's a system. It's more than that. It's a bulletproof system that has worked, and I invite you to try it yourself.
And then it's still lagging its extra, okay? That's because FICO has 16 known algorithms. They don't always update at the same time. However, as you can see here, we've been working on this file for about maybe a month, maybe a little bit more, maybe a little less. 102-point increase, 145-point increase. But you can see which is the real accurate reporting. As you can see, what has been deleted and what still remains. So if we just go down.
Once again, we're not salespeople here. We're not trying to convince you. We humbly and kindly invite you to do all the research you need. Our website's pinnaclecreditrepair.com. You have our YouTube channel. Check us out, and we just ask you to do your homework, and we want you to be 100% certain that we are the best company for you to hire, or we're simply not. With that being said, thank you for watching this video, and I hope it's made an impact on your life.
Bye.